Hello everyone, my name is Susiar Sintina and my course is BSA Block A, and I talk about material self and sexual aspects of the self. The material self refers to the part of our identity that is connected to our physical body and possessions. It includes everything we call our own, our body, clothes, gadgets, home, and other materials. Things, these objects and our appearance often reflects how we see ourselves and how we want others to see us. For example, the way we dress or take care of our body can express our personality, confidence, and social identity. The sexual aspects of the selves, on the other hand, refers to how we understand and express our sexuality. It involves our biological sex, gender, identity, sexual orientation, feelings of attraction, values, and attitudes towards intimacy and relationships. It's important parts of who we are because it shapes how we relate to ourselves and other emotional and physically. These two aspects are connected because our material self often influences how we can express ourselves. Self, for entrance, how we dress, groom, or carry ourselves can show confidence in our body. Sexuality, a healthy understanding of both helps us develop self-respect, body confidence, and responsible sexual behavior. The sexual self is the part of you that involves your sexual identity, feelings, attitudes, and behavior. It includes how you understand yourself as a sexual being and how you relate to others emotionally and physically. Biological, physical aspect like sex hormones, reproductive organs, that sexual development. Psychology, feelings, desire, attraction, and emotion. Social, cultural, moral belief about sexual, gender, rules about and relation. And that's all. Thank you.